Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Canva on your PC. And for it, we search for Canva download, and right now we can see it just right there. So we click on Canva for Windows, click on download Canva for Windows, and now it's downloading just right here in the top. Right now, when the download is done, we click here on the setup, and right now he will installing Canva on my PC. Alright, right now he's opening it, and right here we need to log in through browser. So now he's opening it just right here. I already logged in with my Google account, so that is why he's giving me this. And right now if I do yes, continue in Canva app and we do Canva open, we are just logged in to our Canva program or setup on our PC. So this is exactly how this works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.